Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the process of change of name and the steps involved. Okay, so change of name starts with consultation. Okay, so consultation is whereby a client comes to your office and you interview them, and the purpose is for them to give you instructions. So consultation is very important because this is whereby a client gives you instructions to act for them, because as a lawyer, before you do any work for a client, you need their instructions to act for them. Okay, so consultation is a very important step because it involves a client giving you their instructions. Okay, it also involves you asking them important questions, okay, that are relevant to the work that they need you to do for them. Okay, so the questions that you ask a client in consultation when you're doing change of name is, you need to know their name, obviously the name that they're using and which they wish to change. Then you need to know the new surname to which they wish to change. Okay, so you also need to see their birth certificate, the original birth certificate. Okay, and you need to take note of their date of birth. Okay, so you also need to do some due diligence as a legal practitioner, and see and ask the reason why they wish to change their name. Okay, this is very important because you need to establish that they are not changing their name for illegal purposes or to run away from unlawful acts or criminal acts. Okay, so it is important for you to establish that they are not changing they're changing their name for a lawful reason. Okay, so during consultation you also need to advise them of how long you expect the process to take and what is involved. So they should also deposit with you $50, okay, for registration fees. They should deposit with you your legal fees, okay, and they should deposit with you the cost or the fees for publication. Okay, so when they've done that, you draft a notarial deed of change of name, okay, wherein you indicate or highlight that they are using this name, okay, and they now wish to change to another name. Okay, so you indicating that maybe they are using Amos Moyo, okay, and they wish to change to Amos Zuba. Okay, so after that the client will sign the notarial deed, okay, in the presence of two witnesses and the notary public, who will also sign and stamp the notarial deed. Okay, after that the notary public would draft a legal notice, okay, and two letters of instruction which are addressed to two media houses or to two newspaper houses. Okay, so after that you take your legal notice and you attach it to each letter of instruction, and then you take it to the newspaper house. Okay, so the first one you take it to the Government Gazette, the other one you take it to a national daily newspaper of your choice. It can be the Herald, it can be Newsday, or any other. Okay, so there you pay, okay, for publication, and when you've paid, you keep your receipts for the client. Okay, you should also inquire when the advert will be out and when it is ready for collection. So when it is ready for collection, you go back and you collect the proof of publication, okay, which is in the form of some newspaper cutouts. Okay, you take that back to the office and you prepare lodging cover. All right, so your lodging cover is 3 copies of the notarial deed of change of name. It has 2 newspaper adverts, and it is a copy of the birth certificate, the client's birth certificate, and $50 proof of payment of $50, which is registration fee. Okay, so we said 3 notarial deeds of change of name, we said 2 newspaper adverts, and a copy of the birth certificate, as well as proof of payment of registration fees $50. You then lodge it with the Registrar of Deeds, and you diarize and wait for some days wherein you will then go back and make some follow-ups to check if it is issued. Queries might be raised by the Registrar General, which means you take the file back to the office and attend to the queries, then relodge. Okay, so if there are no queries, then it means your deed is registered, and if it is registered, you get 2 copies of the issued notarial deed. Okay, then the Registrar of Deeds remains with 1. Of the 2 copies, 1 is kept by the notary public in their office in a protocol which is numbered. So for that deed, you can number it, for example, protocol number 1 of 2024. Okay, when you do another deed, it's protocol number 2 of 2024. Okay. So a protocol is a place of safekeeping where a notary public keeps clients' notarial deeds safe and secured in their office. Okay, so it is a place of safekeeping because notarial deeds are very important documents and they should be kept safely. Okay, so the other copy goes to the client, who then takes it to relevant offices, okay, for changes to their particulars of identity, or they can take it to the Registrar General's office, where they will be issued with a new birth certificate. Okay, so that is it. That is the process of change of name. I hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.